Part of the care for Amaryllis is actually killing them intentionally. I love Amaryllis plants not because of their giant flowers, but because properly taking care of them means you actually have to kill them. But they come back. Let me explain. Amaryllis are super unique plants that a lot of people grow around the Christmas time because of those giant red flowers that they get. But afterwards, they do start to get a little sad looking. So what do you do with this plant? Can you keep it from year to year? And how do you get it to bloom again? When your Amaryllis plant finishes its bloom cycle, it's then time to remove the flower stalk. Now you don't have to be in a huge hurry to do this, but sooner or later, you gotta get in here, trace it down to near the base, and go ahead and clip that off. And what you'll be left with is a bulb with some leaves sticking out, and this is the plant that you're going to take care of for the next 6 to 8 months. And then you're gonna kill it on purpose. But before you do that, you want these leaves and the bulb to be as healthy as possible. So put them in a bright location, right on a windowsill, maybe fertilize it about once a month, because if you can get it to grow more leaves, that's going to transfer more energy down to the bulb below. And then once you have a nice, healthy plant, when it's time to reach the end of summertime and the beginning of fall, that's when you completely abandon caring for and watering this plant. In fact, I recommend finding an abandoned place inside of your home or greenhouse and just laying this plant over on its side and completely forgetting about it. Now what you're doing is you're simulating the natural dormancy cycle that would happen to these plants out in the wild in Mexico. In late summer, they experience drought conditions, thus causing all the leaves to dry up and send all that energy back into the bulb. But the key is you've got to keep it dry. Do not water it during this couple of months that you're going to let this bulb go dormant. Once the leaves are completely dried up, you can trim them off, and then you're going to be left with an Amaryllis bulb similar to what you would buy in stores in the fall. And at that point, again, you can plant it, and 6 weeks later, you'll have a brand new, beautiful blooming Amaryllis plant for your house for Christmas.